Okay, so after looking into our map, we found a way to pass this river, hopefully from there. And it's also, you can see, it's like a local fishing village, or
Harbor.
in a way.
This is local harbor.
Local harbor is very, very interesting. It's super interesting. It smells like chicken. I can smell chicken. Ah, there you
Oh, yes.
There you go.
Chicken.
Uh-huh.
Chicken.
And I think we will go this way. This is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're so kind. Here we have something for you. Wait a second. Do you know where the road is? Do you want to take us to the road?
Yes.
Oh, you're so kind. Very, yeah.
Leave our lunch money to go to school.
Yeah.
Of course, of course.
We'll earn lunch money now. Excellent. And will help us to find a way. 'Cause we don't know where it is. Oh, so lucky that we met you.
We are very lucky.
We're super lucky.
And we also have Roy, I think
What's your name?
Oh, Lana.
What's your name?
Angel.
My name is Saskia.
Askia. Ah, very good, Askia. Do you know where the road is?
Dada.
Okay.
Yes, she will.
Let's go. We are on our way to explore here the town. This way.
So you will leave me also my lunch money too?
Of course.
Of course.
You
He's now looking for the money.
You will get lunch money. You deserve it because you help us to find a way.
You are very good.
Yeah, you are very, very
Child.
good and knowledgeable.
Yes.
We are very lucky that we met you.
Come this way. Come this way.
It.
Разбивам с детето, как да?
Where do you want to go?
Rick's Cafe.
Rick's Cafe. You go on the road, go down there, you see the Burger King, you cross the road and ask for Western taxis. And then we carry to the Rick's Cafe.
You're very good and very well deserved.
You say you were gonna leave me.
Yeah, lunch money, it's good, yeah?
Yes?
$5 is good, yeah?
Yes.
You can eat well with it.
Yes.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like to eat something the way fried chicken.
Yeah. Anything else? What about drink? Pork, yeah. What do you like to drink?
Orange juice
Orange juice.
and burger I want.
You
And
like
Popeye.
from Burger King. From where?
Pizza.
Pizza. Well, I hope this money, but don't keep them well. Keep them well. Don't do like this,
Yes.
because you might break them and you won't be able to buy anything.
Yes, just keep for them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Keep them
Out.
intact.
And then like
Ha-
this.
have you seen such money?
Keep them in your pockets.
Have you seen such money? These are American dollars.
Yes.
Okay.
And give them to your mom.
Bye.
Thank you very
Bye.
much for showing us the way. Bye bye.
To momиче ли беше?
I think this was a girl. Well, certainly. Hiya.
Pocznij tu kabel. It's very nice. I enjoy this walk a lot.
Yeah. It's very enjoyable.
About the taxi.
Mhm. Mhm.
Very reassuring. You'll be able to catch the
Here you can
Taxi back.
here you can buy this sugar cane.
cane.
You like?
you like.
Yeah. Okay, let's get some. Wait. Careful. Do you like us to buy from this one or to see if we'll find somewhere else?
I don't mind.
This one looks okay. Yeah.
Yeah, let's try this one.
How much is one?
This has cane straw they make me beat her. Me come here, say, look to her and say hi. She said, what?
Ще лише там.
Да, да. Чи исключили сьогодні?
Come here. Come here.
Yes, so now we are buying.
Here, darling. Me never see say you're police. She look alright, that's how me pass on the mountain up. Say, what? Say, Jesus Christ, come let me beat you. Hello, just say have manners. Just say you're pretty. Oh, she pretty so Lord Jesus. I wish she go miss.
I don't mind.
Young lady.
Okay.
Hi. How old are you?
Thanks, sir.
Hi. You are very beautiful young girl.
Okay.
Let me try one. I hope I won't get any bugs. Do you think it's safe to eat it?
I think it's relatively safe. You like?
Very much.
Oh, really? Excellent. Well, I'll have some more too. And I think we just follow this route along the coastline. Okay?